I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying basics that actually reveal the problem source. First, open settings and adjust sound and vibration. Make sure media and call volumes are distinct and not muted. Once done, toggle Do Not Disturb and test audio with wired or Bluetooth headphones to see if speakers are at fault. Restart the device and check any app-specific volume controls. These quick checks save time by identifying whether software, app settings, or hardware needs the next, more detailed fix. Next, target software conflicts and corrupted settings. You clear cache for the affected app, force stop, and reopen it. This often restores proper volume. If that fails, boot into safe mode so only system apps run. A normal volume there means a third-party app caused it. Run Samsung members' diagnostics for speaker and microphone tests, and review accessibility options like mono audio or balance sliders that could shift output. Make sure system updates are installed. They can include important audio driver fixes. For final resolution, consider deeper resets and hardware inspection. You should back up your data and perform a factory reset only if software attempts failed. This clears hidden settings that affect sound. Before sending the phone for repair, inspect and clean the speaker and microphone ports with a soft brush or compressed air, because debris often muffles audio. If volume remains low, take notes on what you tested and contact Samsung service or an authorized technician so they can focus on the likely faulty speaker or amplifier. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.